So just a little look on what I got today. This is from Star Hat Miniatures from the Kickstarter. That was in August 2019. It's now late April 2020. I got them, DuckQuest. So it's a cheeky HeroQuest lookalikes, but in duck form. These are just taken straight out of the bags, so I haven't cleaned them up anything, and the residue has to be, I have to do some filing on the swords maybe, but I have to say I feel the sculpts are really good, and are really nice and fun characters. I really like them. The dwarf is my son's favorite, so I'm going to clean them up now, and we are going to paint them. I think we are just going to try to knock them out with some contrast paint. I think that will work really well with these miniatures. They have well like sculpted lines in them, so the paints will like go to the natural polish. I think they are I really like this one. That guy, I'm going to take him. And of course the evil himself. Quack, 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 quack. It's really fun. Yeah, I'm just really happy to get them, and I just had to show them today. Here is the Living Dead. I need to dig out my HeroQuest thing and get them on that one. That would be really fun. So yeah, just lovely characters, really nice. I really like them, and we get these honorary miniatures as well. A really nice miniature. I'm probably going to use him in a D&D campaign. And the buckler, I have painted her. I was looking around for finding her to show you, but I can't right now. And just to show you one of my HeroQuest miniatures from back in the days. Yeah, I make boobies on them. So the new wizard is definitely going to be more awesome, for sure. So yeah, or is this the wizard? This is the wizard, of course. Both can be wizards. Yeah, both can be. Anyways, thank you all for watching. See you in another episode. Bye now.